Guys, if you like having hearing, please take off your headphones now, or turn down the volume way down. Please, no matter what. That's to block a fart, an incoming one. Every time I need to do something, just into the mic. I joined the group, but hey Saffies.
Where did he go?
Bish, hey, how did I leave game? I wanted to reset.
Now I'm alone again.
B. I'm joining the game.
Hurry.
Shut up.
I don't want to be lonely.
Shut up.
Can't.
What? Oh God. You suck. Hey sis. I'm a member. I'm gonna go here.
Bruh.
Names. Why can't I get it? Oh, yay. Wow.
I was gonna laugh so hard.
If I couldn't get it, I'm just gonna freak out.
I dare you to put the Stitch face on. Put the Stitch face on.
No, I love it. That's absolutely amazing. Nice. Here, let's just.
I dare you to put every single hat and hair on.
Meh.
No, I dare you.
I've stepped on like every removal thing. Meh. Let's do the evil face. But today, guys, we are playing games I've never played on the kind of breedings. Friends. Yay!
Did you know people can just remove their hair and then put on the black hair and then put on
Oh my
the
God!
other one?
Whoa!
Put on the other
I
black
never
hair.
knew this. I'm gonna do orange. I like orange. Wait, look at this. Look at this. JoJo pose.
What are you doing?
Orange. I'm a Cheeto.
Why?
I'm a Cheeto. I'm a Cheeto. Here, I'm gonna put the black back. That sounded kind of racist.
Glitching.
Look how beautiful. Look how beautiful. I look beautiful.
Ew. I ran away. Get away!
I've followed you. I am
Get away!
Oh my God. Me trying to be emo. Help me. I like it, but not a lot. I don't like it. What are you doing?
Mary!
Hi. Oh, hey there.
You have to buy this clothing, by the way.
Boom. I know. I bought a bunch of clothing last time I was here, and I wasted all my Robux. And it was the funniest thing in the world. Well, now that we've contained ourselves, you know what? To fit the aesthetic, fine. I will change. I will change, but only for this one reason. So guys, today we're experimenting and doing things we never do on the channel. Yee. I'm probably gonna look really cringy. What is that?
Do the black overalls with the red top.
Yes, get it, queen. Beautiful. The pants are just so. How do I contain myself? Here, I'm gonna do this one. Yay! I spent money on these, and they look kind of like crap. Oh my God! Why? You know what?
Cat.
Yes.
Don't come out of AFK.
Why?
You don't want to.
Are you online dating?
You don't want to.
Ah! Help me!
No.
Get me out of here! Ah! scared. I'm gonna reset now.
You want to see some real speed? I'm gonna show you some real speed.
Okay, Bish.
I'm at you.
I'm out, sis. I'm out. Bish, I'm out.
So
What?
It's actually kind of funny how slow you are.
I don't know how to go
I
faster.
don't even have to try. You're just slow.
Bish.
Hurry up.
I'm going back.
You're so slow.
We gotta get away. Maddie dared me to do this. I don't know what to do. Help me.
Put on the tiara.
No. Ew. It's so grody, man.
Do it.
I'm a bald woman. I'm gonna try my best. Wait, Cheeto Puff. I'm gonna put on the Cheeto Puff. Hey, Maddie. Maddie.
So loud.
Oh my god, it's so loud. I'm Cheeto Puff.
Nah, bro.
Aww, you ran away.
Get
Here,
away.
I gotta fix it. For some reason, I feel cringy. So yeah, I feel cringy. Hi there, sister.
Get away.
Hi.
Get away.
No, I'm gonna keep chasing y'all. I ain't never gonna stop chasing y'all. Oh my god. Japan. Senor Ool. You are my newfound sister. Hello. No.
Get away.
I don't know how to be faster. That's the sad thing.
Harmless little night ghosts. Never hurt anyone unless you provoke them.
Glow bands, the feet.
During the day, it slept in a heavy oak chest with iron fittings.
Equip. Equip. Equip.
The big chimneys.
You have to have the game pass.
Oh, that's sad.
Belonged to a ghost.
Hey, stop. Yay. I figured it out. Oh my god, where are you? Me when I'm trying to be emo. What is this? What is this right here? What is it? Where?
No, turn your screen again.
Where?
See myself.
Oh my god, I see you. Hi. Why are you so scared of me? Why are you so
Emo. Get away.
I did my best, sis. That's kinda rude. Fine, I'm leaving.
No.
Haha. Owen. Child.
I'm going to cry.
Stop bullying me then. Stop bullying me! Well, that's not nice. You gotta stop bullying me. You're gonna stop bullying me, Maddie? You're gonna stop bullying me? Yes. Okay, fine.
Where the hell is Seth?
Me trying to be emo. Maddie being like, no, sister, get away. Me. I did my best, sis. Like, sis, I did my best. I don't have the monies for anything. And also, a lot of the people in the server are probably fake emos too. At least a possible percentage. Someone AFK, I'm just gonna run through them.
Haha.
Why do they allow...
You gotta find me.
Okay, Beesh, I'll find you. Ah! It's spinning, and I hate when my camera does that. No!
You're never gonna find me.
Sorry. I saw something cringy. I gotta run away. Oh my god! Hi, sisters! You're chasing the water!
Look up.
I see you. I see you. How do you get up there? What, when, where, how? You gonna jump down or what, sis? You gonna break your ankles or what, sis?
No.
I'm waiting for you. How do I get to you?
You're not gonna get me.
Man, F you. Screw you. I can't. This is about one of the funniest videos ever.
I'll show you.
Okay. Someone said shit. Question mark. Go in hat. What did it say? I can't read right now. I just realized my mom's here in my house.
That guy's on my tree!
Ew. Oh my god. You just fall down. Oh my god.
How are you doing today?
No, not you again. Have mercy on the Royal Swedish General, Torsten Torstensson. I'm innocent.
Innocent? General Stormson? Do you really fail to remember how you led siege to our beautiful Olenberg 3 years ago?
3 years ago.
Ha.
100 years ago.
Bruh. Nah, bro. You can figure it
More
out.
precise.
I'm not doing it.
Tree. Okay, then bye. I leave.
Sorry, it's just easier for me.
Just because I
Bye.
Walks away. Why am I so slow?
Because you didn't press R.
R. Press R. Oh, now I get it. I'm just freaking out. Leave any suggested games in the comments. Let me know what you want to see.
Wake up.
I promise you faithfully, just like every night. On my word, as Royal Swedish General,
Anyways.
never return.
I can't. I seriously can't. So guys, just take a minute to wait for the next video to come out.
Whiter than a cloud of dust.
Say something. Say something.
I never see the castle in daylight.
You're saying it wrong. Anyways, let me know if you want to see me play any other games I haven't played on the channel.
Word makes my
And if you enjoyed the video,
I don't like it in
please, leave a like, comment, and subscribe.
what of it? We are the creatures of the night.
Also hit the notification bell, most importantly.
Neither would
And goodbye, bye. Before I end the video, make sure to ooh on that like button. And also, then that way no one will get their kneecaps broken. Anyways, join the vibes. Hi, Waldo Creep. Look at this dude. Like, Maddie, look at Frogotten. You can't tell me that looks hilarious. That doesn't look hilarious. The way this song is just playing in the background. What? No, Maddie, no. I Zoe. Gay question mark. What are they saying? Anyways, guys, thanks for watching, and goodbye for the second time. You're recording? Yeah.
Hello, Sappy. Today we play Spider. Me.
Me.
Leo!
Oh, I won't carry you. I won't.